Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today we are going to scrape this amazing and so complex and dynamic website indeed.com. Okay, we are just copy this URL. Then we are going to scrape this full website. We are going to the title, the location, and the company name. Okay, on I have already going to write some article on this video and how to save indeed.com in this website. It is my own website. Here I will already publish many articles related on web scraping and data science. You can check it, and I will give it the link of this website and of this tutorial, and I'll also give the link my GitHub where all the code is given. The code is also given in my website also. Okay, let's jump into our code. This is the indeed.com, and we were going to all the jobs for data science for this page. Okay, now come in the base code. This is the base code. Look at here. We are using firstly to show you that here I used request.get, and I have also used the headers also. Okay, now run this, and this is the URL of indeed.com job data science. Okay, I am running it. Look at here, the response is 400. That means using request.get, even we are using also user agent also, but we cannot scrape by this process. We cannot scrape this indeed.com by using this request.get process. So I will use Playwright, and only Playwright is not also capable to scrape this indeed.com. I have to use headers. That means these user agents with Playwrights. They come here. The scenario is, firstly I am going to download the HTML of all this page. I think this is so useful. I will download the HTML. That means if you inspect the view source, this is the HTML of this page. I will download this full HTML in my local computer. Then I will parse that HTML file. This process is so safe, because if you make any rough scraper and give many requests to the website directly, it will block you. Instead, if you use local HTML from this website, it is so safe, and you can make a suitable web scraper with a Python script so easily. So I am going to download the HTML from this indeed.com using this Playwright. Here I use something I am explaining you, no problem, just hold on. This is the Playwright Scenes API. From this I am using synchronize Playwright. I am not using asynchronize. Then I am importing the time library. Okay, with synchronous Playwright I using is at a p, then browser is equal to p chromium dot launch headless false. You have to use this to see the what is the website this chromium is going on. If by default it is true, if you do not use this headless equal to false argument, the Playwright will run hiddenly and it will escape hiddenly. You cannot see what is going on. If you use this headless equal to false, you can see it. Okay, then I am using this browser.new context. Then this user agent is so important. In previous video I have shown you how can you collect this user agent. It is so important. If you do not use this user agent, your request will be blocked by indeed.com. To collect this user agent, you can use inspect element from the browser, or you can use httpbin.org. Please check my previous video. Okay, it was the normal page equal to browser equal to new page, but here we will not use it. We use page equal to context.newest, because in this context we have added this user agent. It is the cause. Now we are going to the use this page.goto. That's the our expected URL. Okay, main work is finished, but here something I used for safety purpose this code. Already my main thing is finished here. My main thing is finished here, but I used this purpose. It is not for indeed.com. This HTML downloader, you can use it for any website. I used it if the website is for infinitive scroll. If it is infinitive scroll, that means the website is loading and loading. For that website, you can use this code also. Automatically it will scroll the website and it will collect the HTML from the full website. Okay, then the full website will be saved in this content variable. This content equal to page.content. Then if you want, you can print this. If it is not necessary for our web scraper, it is for just only showing that is it working or not. Then after that I am just uncomment it to clear it, no need. Okay, then we are printing, that when we are saving all this content in a content.html file, we are writing this, then the browser is closed. Okay, look at here, there is no content.html. Now I will run this Python script and there will be a file will be open that is named content.html. Okay, I'm running this. Something is wrong. Print.html, what is the problem? Okay, I'm line 1 module 1, something is going, any problem here? Name content is not defined. Oh, look at here, this content where is coming from. This content, you have to see this content is page dot content. Why it is not defined? I am saying no problem. While true should be defined without any problem. I don't know what is going on. Okay, I'm running it again. Now it is working. Sometimes it is a bug, no problem. Just look at here, the website is working. Now it will scroll it and it is in the last, and at last it save the whole content.html file here. Look at this. This is our HTML file. This full HTML file is here. Okay, I am clearing our terminal. Our HTML file is found here. Is it worked well? How can we check it? We can check it easily by going to our website. Okay, look at here. Here is below administrator. Inspect it. Then copy this name. Where is this name? We'll found maybe here the name. This is the name. Below. We are copying this. Then we are going to our website. This is our downloader. We use this Python script to download the content.html. This is the content.html file. Okay, go here. Now I am using Control F. Okay, now I am just right here, paste here table administrator. Look at this table administrator is found in our title. That means our HTML file is saved properly. Now we will parse this HTML file using a Python default function, split function. Today we will not use BeautifulSoup or Selenium or Playwright, we will just use split method. It's so much interesting. I learned it from a YouTuber, maybe unconventional coding, his channel's name. Okay, just I will try to give his YouTube channel description that you can check his tutorial also. Okay, come here. It is the downloader, HTML downloader. We have downloaded the HTML. Now we will parse this HTML. Okay, this is the next script I will use. Okay, I use import pandas. Then I am opening this HTML file. Now it is in read mode. Before it was, yeah, just check it. Before it was in W, that means write mode. Now it is in R mode, that means in reading mode. Then the encoding UTF-8 content I am reading here. Okay, this is the listings. Here I am using split and split. What is the split? For splitting, I will give you another video channel. You can see this splitting methods. He explained it so properly. I am also just giving a one-line demonstration, such as my name is MD. Okay, I'm just make it a little bit deeper. Okay, now come here. Okay, let's just look at here. My name is Sas MD dash Tanvi. Okay, if you split this string, this is a split, just think that it is equal to X. If you split this string X, how can you split it? You can split it using firstly you have to write. Okay, just clear it. MD Tanvir. If you split this string using this hyphen mark, then the result will be MD and Tanvir. The result will be a list or a tuple which is MD and Tanvir. This MD is a 0 index and it is 1 index. If there are more components, that will be 2 and 3. I just give you a little demonstration of split, but I will give you description, then you can learn it more properly. Okay, now I will disperse the whole content.html file using this split method. I do not use any library. Just look at it, is pure Python. It is so easy and so fast. Okay, content, that means this HTML file. Already I write content.html using this area label equal to full details. Then this is the index, that 1 to last number. How I used, just go here, and inspect this. That is our, I don't know this. Okay, no problem. I will write it again. This is our indeed.com, and this is the things we want to scrape. Now just scrape this, scrape it, inspect it. You will find this pop-up, and here if you observe it with deep concentration, you will find this area level, right? This area level has a value full details of table. At the same way, if you inspect Kafka developer, you will find that area level is full details of Kafka developer. At the same, if you inspect this, you will find this area level full details of SaaS via administrator. So that means area level is common for every div, for every properties here. Every company will find area level and full details. If we split the whole HTML file using this area level full details, then after this first area level we will found all of the titles, and this is the thing I use here. Look at here, extends equal to content mean my HTML file, then I am using splitting, then area level equal to full details of. Using this area level attribute, I am splitting the whole HTML file, then I am taking the file from the second element, because here our second element from the second to last I need all of this, and the first element is 0. I do not need this, I need from here. So I used the index here 1 to 0, 1 to default means the last value. This is our listings. Okay, after that listings I am using the title. Here I created a dictionary, I initiated a dictionary. Okay, look at here, just hold on. It is a dictionary. I imported dictionary. Then listing and listings I used a for loop. This is a for loop. Then title equal to listing equal to split, and split is going, I am splitting here just using this double comma, and I am taking the first value of this splitting method. Okay, what is going on? Just come here and take this listing, then you will find that what is going on. If we want to see this, I am just it is a great explanation. I will just explaining for this first one, then I think you will understand everything. Okay, clear it. Just I am going to print the first listing. Print list. If I now run it, I will find all the listing. Look at this. This is all a listing. This all a listing. Okay. If all the things are coming here, I have to just comment it out to make you realize it. Run it. Now I will find it. It is not list. It is listing. Now run the code. Okay, I'm just commenting everything from here, or it will give error. Now I'm running this. Now it is giving the all of the listing. This is the listing 1, listing 2, listing 2. This way it is giving the listing. I will just want to differentiate it by using a sign here. Okay, I can use it. Okay, run it now. Look at this. Before this equal sign it is separated by equal sign every listing. I am seeing a very big listing. This is a listing MADS listing. Look at this. In this listing, this is our title. It is so important. I am just explaining, and I will explain this. You will understand. This is our title. In this title, this first part is our title. Please just concentrate it. And this title is separated with this double comma. After this class is stated. So if I split this whole listing, the whole listing is our string. This listing will be now split by what? By this double comma. Okay, this is the normal default comma, and this double comma means the split will be run by using this double comma. When I split the full text using this double comma, then this MADS section instructor will be index 0, and after this it will be, this class will be index 2, and there is another double comma. After that it will be index 2. But for title our target is index 0. For this we'll write listing dot split dot double comma, then this 0 index. We do not need after these things, we need this 0 index. That means we need only the title, and this is the thing I did there. Look at here, inshallah you will now realize it properly. Look at there, in this title what I used this split method, and this split will be separated by this double comma. Then I take the first element, then and the first element is our title. If we run it, look at, it's so amazing. We will found our title. The listing is so big. Look at this. This is our I should only print the listing, not these things. Okay, I am this commenting it, then I am going to print this title. Okay, now I'm running this. Look, it is so amazing. Every title is common. First is Kafka developer, then table, then administrator. Come here, you will find this. There is another. Look at this. First is Kafka, then table, then SAS via data annotation. Everything we found. This process is so amazing. We do not need any type of thing, just use it. Okay, in this way, just I'm now comment it out plus company name. In this company names, the same thing, we will split the listing, then in this company name we will find the data test ID company name. And how can we found this? Look at this. Here is a data ID, then we will found this is a title, and there is a title. You will found these things. Where is this data test company? I'm just copy it for make the video a little bit quicker. Then Control F, then Control V. It is not finding. Maybe it will find if I write it test ID. Okay, this is the test ID, then equal, then this is not the way to find it. Okay, come here, we are using this attribute here in our split method. In maybe we'll found here Control F, Control V. Look at this. When we there is 15 company name, and it is true, there is 15 company name. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. There is 15 to take it. There is 15. Okay, so this test, when we split the full things using this attribute test id will this upper thing will be 0 and the lower thing will be 1, and then it will be 2. So for this one we will found this company name. This is the cause we are using here, index 1. Come here, you will find this in here. Where is it? Is it this is the cause we using in 1, and after that 1 there will be also another thing, these dash things, and to remove this sign greater than, we again split and take the second part, and again there will be another part last, this is found. Then for after that splitting we will also take the first element. I think we use this, then we will found this. Okay, now I am also comment it out. Now if I comment all these things, you can easily observe it. Now I'm running it. Look at this. Everything is clear. Title name, company name, and location. Title name, company name, location. It is really amazing. It is really so speedy process, and no, without knowing any library, just using this splitting method, we can easily parse any HTML file. I will give this maybe in my video, as I am not so fluent in English. I am giving this source code, then you can easily observe it and rethink about this process. Okay, after this collecting this title, company name, and company location, we are just append this in the just comment it out. Okay, now look at here. Here I am just comment it out here. After there is a data append, total data. What is total data? You have to understand that total data is the dictionary which I have created before. Then here I am appending this 3 variable, 1 title, 2 company name, then 3 company location. Then I am creating a data frame using panda. This data frame I am using this list, total data list, and after that I am just mentioning the column name. As there is 3 variable, there will be 3 column name. Now if I print this, you will find a things, and I can also save it as a Excel file and as a CSV file also. Okay, just observe it, clear it. I am run it in front of you. Look at here, there is no Excel file. When I run it, there is be Excel file and a CSV file will be created, and we will be see the panda data frame in our terminal also. Okay, I am running it. Run it. Look at this. This is the Excel file, this is the CSV file, and this is the data frame. Data frame is created as it is. This is the data frame, and it is zoom in, so it is unclear to see. Just go here in the Excel file. This is the Excel file I have created now. All the files is this is the title, this is the company name, this is the location. It's really amazing and the so clear data. And this is the CSV file, and I can also see the Excel file in the open folder also. This is the Excel files. If I open it, this is the Excel file. Just now we created this file by using splitting method. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you find it so slow, you can see it by speed up. Okay, for now today, Assalamu alaikum.